So what made you want to start that journey?
Yeah, so I
Especially
was,
living in the US and, with manufacturing all types of processed foods and so many temptations in the stores and all that stuff. Like what made you decide to do this?
yeah. So I moved to Los Angeles when I was 17 to pursue fashion. I went to FITM alumni, and working in the fashion industry, it was a lot of hustle and bustle. I was really sick, and fibromyalgia, Graves, hypothyroidism, migraines like every day, dysmenorrhea. I was really sick, but I hid a lot of it. You would never know. I'd show up to castings or photo shoot, and you wouldn't know because I hid the pain so well. Or I'd go to the urgent care and get Toradol shots to ease the pain. So in 2019, I decided, look, this is it. I don't want to be sick anymore. I'm so young. I don't want to feel like this. And I just Googled like universe. I was sitting in my loft apartment and universe was like, Google fibromyalgia healer. And I did that, and I ran into a somatic therapist named Bernie Soon, who recently passed away. And I told her my story. I read her Twitter, and I was like, "Look, I know you can help me. You've helped other people. You've healed yourself." And she said, "I don't think I can help you, but I know someone who can." And I was actually already vegan, but I was junk food, dirty vegan. I was eating a lot of processed foods, and I still wasn't getting better. So I called Dr. Littman, who Bernie referred me to, and she actually transitioned me into what I am now. And Dr. Littman also transitioned. She was my mentor, a great friend of mine, practitioner that loved, loved, loved what she did. And she did a nutrition test on me, a sensitivity test. And she said, "Look, I know you're quote unquote vegan and you're not eating chicken or seafood anymore, but you got to cut out the soy, you got to cut out the refined sugar,